From KBIS in Las Vegas to every showroom that we could visit, we have traveled and covered the most amazing kitchens that we could find. We went direct to the manufacturers in Italy, Germany, and Austria, and I even got a chance to remodel a kitchen of my own. Today we are starting to tour some of the breathtaking kitchens the German Kitchen Center has created. The homeowner of this Leicht kitchen in Plantation, Florida, chose a handleless look with countertops that match the cabinets and Miele appliances that disappear into them. This open concept kitchen feels like the heart of the home and the center of all activity. In fact, it looks like their pet tortoise prefers to be in the middle of it all, right here on this beautiful countertop. If you would like to see more amazing kitchens like this one, please hit subscribe and we will notify you when there is new content.